Okay, I'm going to show you running a full set of springs on the Buxton spring checker and how fast you can run a whole box and show you the data you gather. You can see the recording real time, and you can see when it gives you a good reading, it switches to the next spring, gives you a successful test. It switches between intake and exhaust the way it's set up. So there we ran a complete test, 16 springs in under 5 minutes. And then we're going to print a report. And you can choose how you want to print that: target installed height, target seat load, or target bind height. We're going to go ahead and print that. And this is what you'll end up with here. So since we chose installed height, it's going to give us the same installed height for every spring pulled. Then it's going to give us the seat load of each spring. You can see it looks like we vary worst to best. Looks like 8 pounds. And then your open load. Same deal. What's our max? 603. So about 6 pounds different on open. Then it gives you the bind height of each spring and your bind clearance at your chosen installed height, and then the rate of the spring. I just don't know how, if you're checking springs, that you wouldn't want the Buxton spring checker. It's worth every penny, and it's an amazing tool.